Here's how to send a fun message on your iPhone. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and iPhones have loads of unique features, and some of them are really my favorites. All the fun tricks you can do while sending an iMessage to another iPhone user. First, iMessages can be more fun if you use them with code words that set off effects. Did you even know it does that? When you type happy birthday, the screen has that balloon effect. You've probably seen that before. And when you send pew pew, you get lasers. You can send a full screen effect with a message or emojis of your choice by going to messages and either opening an existing conversation or starting a new one. Type your message, and before you send it, hold down that send arrow until you see an option screen called send with effect. Tap the screen tab and choose from choices like sending your message with an echo effect, a spotlight, balloons, confetti, and more. Then when you tap that send arrow, your message will be way more exciting. You can also add bubble effects to your messages. Just open messages again and go back to a thread or start a new text. Once again, type your message, and before you click the send arrow, hold down that send button to get those effect options again. Then preview different options for your message bubble, like the slam effect or sending your message with invisible ink. If you choose that one, the person who receives it has to swipe to erase your message to see what you've written. You can also send a message using a photo with a camera effect. When you're sending a text or in a message conversation, tap that camera icon on the left, tap the start button on the bottom left for effects, and then choose an effect. Pick, say, for example, a really cool filter, or use an effect from one of the apps on your phone. Then click the big white button to take your photo. You can use a front or rear camera. Tap done to add a personal message before sending, and then click that send arrow again. You can also save time typing back a message by responding with a quick tap back expression. Just hold down a message or photo you want to respond to and select either a heart, thumbs up or down, the haha, exclamation point, or question mark. Finally, send a handwritten message if you want to make your message a little more personalized. You'll want to make sure that your phone is not in portrait lock mode, and while it is in an iMessage conversation, all you have to do is rotate your phone sideways. Tap this button that looks like a little scribble mark, and then you can select pre-made handwritten notes or write your own. You can undo it if you mess up and click send whenever you're ready. For more tips, head to cyberguy.com, search iPhone, and while you're there, sign up for my newsletter.